Good evening. How are you doing today?
Okay, I guess. Can I help
I
you?
am vampire.
Did you say you're a vampire?
No, 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 I am van buyer. I'm here about the van.
Right, the vampire. Sure.
Easy mistake. It's okay.
The price is pretty set, 4,000. It's in good shape. We just had the service done. The only kind of quirk is the shag carpet in the back, but you can remove that.
Yeah, okay. How dark does it get in the back of the van, would you say?
Pretty dark, I guess, if you close all the
I
curtains.
don't like the sunlight too much, you know. I get sunburned easily. What about are there any like strange smells in the back? You're not like a smoker, you know, use a lot of perfume, eat a lot of garlic.
No, nothing like that.
Okay, and you know, just to ask, you know, maybe it's kind of a crazy question, but you know, you didn't like use the van to kill a whole bunch of people and stuff them in the back of the van and drain them in blood, even though you know it'd be pretty easy to do so, right? That'd be pretty crazy. That's not like a real thing, right?
No, nothing like that. You want to take a look at it?
Actually, I was wondering if maybe you know I could do a little. You could do me a little favor. I could use your bathroom. Your bathroom.
Oh, I don't know about.
I know it's a little bit awkward. we all feel a little bit weird about it. You know, I don't know you, you don't know me, but I don't want to be, you know, using the bushes outside, you know, that make everyone uncomfortable. So if I could just
Okay, I guess that would be all right.
okay, and just to be ultra clear, you're inviting me into your house, you know, it's verbal agreement, and I go over the threshold and I can come in.
You're a vampire, aren't you?
Don't go near my coffin.
Okay, that right there. That's. If you're a vampire, you have to tell me, man. I mean, it's the law, right?
No, I'm not a vampire. I'm from Portland.
Okay, there it is. Sure, it's fine. Come on in. Just down the hall on your left.
Thank you. Bless you have a lovely home.
Never judge a book by its cover.